Hi everyone, this is Phoebe and this is my entry for the JCat 2018 Halloween contest. JCat is a California-based makeup company and is a cruelty-free brand which I am all for and I totally love and support. Okay, let's start with a mattifying pore minimizing face primer to help my skin look smoother and prevents it from being oily. This eyeshadow base will help the pigments of the eyeshadow pop out and stops it from moving. I used Aquasurance for my foundation and sprayed the sponge with the setting spray for full coverage. I used a combination of Hollywood eyeshadow palette and Freedom Creator palette for my eyebrows and my eyes. I added dimension to my face by using the earth tones in the same eyeshadow palette. I went ahead and started with the eyes, so a trick or a tip to doing an eyeshadow is to always blend them as much as you could. I wanted to create a half cut crease and use the eyeshadow base again to highlight this area. And to make my eyes look bigger, I used this Roll It Up Auto Eyeliner in Ice White. Next, I made a winged eyeliner with this Rock Glitz Diamond Dazzle Liquid Liner in Tuxedo. Just curled my eyelashes and then used this volumizing mascara. My top lashes are these EL05 eyelashes and it comes with an eyelash glue. For my faux waterline, I used this Xtreme Access Pocket eyeshadow. For my bottom lashes, I just used this EL13 and I cut them into sections to create a wispy look. For my cheeks, I just used this Love Struck Blusher Bronzer. To make my face glow even more, I used this Triple Crown Big Shadow in Green Tea Frap. I wanted to create a halo-like effect and this white Poutholic lipstick helped me do the job. I went back to the white eyeliner to create my other brow. For my transition shade, I used the Hollywood eyeshadow palette again and smoked out my lids using this big eye pencil in black. I then set it with a Flying Solo eyeshadow in Spades of Grape. With the white eyeliner again, I'm just tracing out where the teeth are going to be on. Then I will shade out the hollows of the teeth and the cheeks. I'm defining the lines, highlighting and contouring using the Freedom Creator Lip Palette. I used the same lip palette along with the Hollywood shadow palette to give color to my face. Now I'm setting the white parts of my face with this Flying Solo eyeshadow in Rabbit Hole. Adding some details on my face using the combination of lip and eyeshadow palette. Went back to the teeth to keep those black lines sharp and white lines clean. I used the white shade in the lip palette to make this eyeline. To create a contrast in the eyelashes, I painted the other pair in this Perfect Coat nail polish in Mint Chip. I also painted my nails on the Glam side of my body charcoal to match the look. I used the big eye pencil in black to create the hollows of my body, wiped out the skeleton area, highlighted with white Poutholic lipstick and colored with the Freedom Creator Lip Palette. I chose my lips to be black because, hey, dark lips can be glam too. Just added some glitz and glitter, put on a wig, and this is my final look. I want to thank JCat for giving us this opportunity, and I would like to say good luck to everyone who joined. Thank you everyone for watching, and have a great day.